Hey, what's up everyone? This is Aubrey Trades and I'm coming at you with another morning trade recap. Lucky to be ending the day up $53.38. That is pretty great. Not a lot by most trader standards, but we're starting dipping our toes, and I gotta be extra careful because I've already burned through a lot of my equity curve. Oh well. Still have about $1,200 left out of my $2,000 initial investment into this small cap penny stock trading venture. But risk management strategy paying off. I got 5 green trades. Well, 4 and 1's a scratch. The one that was a scratch ended up being my main big opportunity that I was looking for today, but that's all right. Smaller bets on AHPI, EYEG, NURO, and Seed carried the day for this final total. Now, without spending more time on this intro, let's get in the charts. Here we have the multi-charts of everything that I'm watching, everything that's kind of moving, and I got my OTCs here on the next tab. Now, I want to talk about specifically KYNC. This was part of my OTC collection, which I am taking more size on after evaluating my performance and seeing that my OTC trades are consistently my best performers. Missed out truly on the beauty CPSL from the morning watch list. You can see it in the link in the description. I just outline stocks I'm watching and possible movements that I'm looking for. I was focused on looking for the dip buy for NSAV, DRNG, I'm gonna just call it Daring, and KYNC. KYNC now looks like it's bottoming out near this support line that we have drawn here. If I was feeling adventurous, I'd maybe enter. I'd want to see a confirmation of an uptrend first to but then you're looking at 3s, 3.9, whatever. Truly, the biggest winner here was CPSL, opening at 489, now setting a new high of 607. And let's just see what 607 divided by 489 is. A nice 24% move here, just maybe 40 minutes after the open. This looks like it's going to continue. I love seeing this, hovering above the moving average cloud that we have, above VWAP and the HMA nestling right there above. I would ideally look to enter on a pullback after the cloud / VWAP remain intact. That's a strategy. I'm not looking to take any trades now, though. EZNC was another big runner into the close. This was a decent dip buy that, I obviously missed. 1797, call it 18. To call it 19. That's a decent move. That's what? Quick 5% on your money. It works. CPSL still putting in new highs. And over here we have WHSI. This was another big one I outlined in the pre-market watch list. This just gave up. This was a nice gap, but now, couldn't even grab support here. I feel like this is, now we're just falling right back down to where it came. So that concludes the OTC check-in. The trades that we're gonna go over, though, the listed ones that work. Let's start with AHPI. Now I'm gonna tell you the way that I've been doing. This is what I did yesterday and it worked. This is what I did today and it worked. Is I have like bigger picture ideas. AHPI I loved. Just because of how it's looking on the daily chart. If we see here in this box, that's the 1 minute chart. Lol. Now let's make this a daily chart. Like, yeah, such a pretty daily chart. This was yesterday. Really looking at a continuing move here. And so that gave me the confidence to say, all right, you know, we're sitting here in pre-market. I'm just gonna set a wide risk, and using the formula that I've been talking about, you know, I enter here and I say, I'm gonna call stopping out at 850, right? If the idea doesn't work, I'm considering it broken after this, right? So I'm looking at pre-market, I'm like, we're here at 915, 850, the difference is 56. I think I just rounded it to 80 cents, right? So I want to risk 20 bucks on the trade, and I'm gonna give myself a wide risk. So I'm gonna put 20 bucks, right? Divided by, I wanna give it 80 cents of wiggle room. That equals 25. That's the amount of shares I can buy. That means I can put 25 shares times, I don't know what my entry was. It was like 9 something, 915, whatever. Okay, so I'm putting 228 bucks on the line, right? But I'm risking, you know, most I can lose is 20. Makes sense? And I definitely sold it way too soon. If we go to the show trades, that is another reason why I'm just kind of, I'm okay with calling it. Is you see this like glitchiness happening. So that's exactly what happened. I did that 50, 60, 70. I rounded 80 cents a share. I got 25 shares at 28. Which you see how I'm just like guesstimating all of this, right? 20 divided by 80 cents a share, 25. So I just go 25, cool. Yada yada. I sold here at 9.94. Missed out on the 10.50 sells. So left another 50 cents on the table. Oh well, I'm not mad at it. I do like hiding the P&L has been a game changer. If you're using Thinkorswim and you go to customize, yeah, I just take that off. Helps me to just focus on letting the candles do their thing, right? If I'm going just off of my indicators, I'm not exiting unless this gets breached, right? So I you know, in theory, I should just leave this alone. Okay, we clocked a lower high. Okay, maybe I'm getting out somewhere here because I'm like, we're going into consolidation mode. I don't want to hold through it, right? AHPI, that was that. EYEG, I had on my watch list as a bounce move, specifically saying I'm gonna be so pissed if I miss this bounce move. Look at this. If we go look at our daily chart here, actually I'll just make it big. I'll just do it on the big chart. If we look at the daily chart, EYEG, beaten. Broke this support, had two more days after breaking the support of just red. Due for a bounce. I even had it here. Still no bounce. I'll be pissed if I miss this one. Bam. Bounce day was today, and I putzed it. Oh, actually, I got pretty near the top. TBH. That's pretty sick. So I got this move 267. So definitely like way up. You see this? I was late to the party. Still grabbed a nice 6 cents a share. This is one I should have done like I did with AHPI and just set something pre-market. Like I'm just gonna leave it Here's 20 bucks, here's 20 bucks, here's 20 bucks, here's 20 bucks. Let them play out the way they're gonna play out. And then focus on my mains. So that's how I kind of treated, that's how I treated AHPI. That's how I treated NURO is another one. NURO was a first green day, bounce idea. Bam. Because it's just been downtrending. It tried to have this first green day, but it didn't work. And now it's, you know, we breached. And we have this support zone coming up. This 1160 range. Figured it was going to try and put in a green day. And if we look at the 1 minute chart here in the corner, we can see that it has been doing just that. This was another one. I just set a wide risk, got in the open, 1373 after it started to, you know, it was working, right? Went and focused on my main trade, came back, sold at 1423 when I just saw, you know, positive on the P&L monitor. NURO, EYEG, Seed. Let's talk about Seed. Same thing. Seed, bounce idea from the watch list. Approaching the 1150 break. Bam. And see, I got all these big trend lines, right, from its last big move. Following this chart. And look, it's so funny where we failed. Right on that upper trend line. I mean, something freaky about these lines, man. I'm freaky about them lines. So here we are. This one was the same idea where I placed it, set a wide risk, but then I sold because I was like halfway to my stop. Saw it working, got in at 1112, sold at 1121. Way too soon. I had no idea this candle was going to be so big. No idea. But is what it is. That's how she went. That's all my trades. KYNC. I think we went over, but you know, I was trying to buy the dip for the continuation move, and when I realized it wasn't gonna work, I got out. Basically break even, less commissions, right? And it's the kind of annoying thing about, but whatever, is what it is. Is what it is. Still green on the day. Love seeing how this is turning around right by the market profile. So funny how well that works sometimes. I mean, look at it. So pretty. Nice. Well, that's all I got for you. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you tomorrow with another watch list. Good luck. Aubrey out.